Did you know that over 100 million Americans are deficient in one or more nutrients? If you want more energy, better sleep, balanced weight, and improved health, click the link in the description to explore the lessons, recipes, expert interviews, and the full text of the books on any computer or mobile device. You'll have the knowledge you need to be confident you're definitely getting all the nutrients your body needs to thrive and protect you from disease. Based on the input and experience of dozens of medical and nutrition experts, the Veg Health Nutrition Mastery Program will guide you step by step through a powerful blueprint designed to support a healthy, thriving, plant-based lifestyle, without the painful missteps and health challenges that cause many to simply give up. When you graduate from the Nutrition Mastery Program, you'll know how to create delicious vegan or vegetarian meals in 10 to 30 minutes, using everyday produce, no fancy or crazy expensive ingredients required. You'll be liberated from packaged and processed foods made with animal byproducts, fillers, preservatives, white sugar, and high fructose corn syrup. If you're like most vegans who eat the recommended whole foods, you'll have more energy, clearer thinking, stable moods, and glowing skin. You'll radiate health and age slower. This powerful program was developed over almost 2 decades by passionate advocates of vegetarian and vegan eating. All the lessons are designed to liberate you from the pitfalls and guesswork of what to eat and how much. This series of 50 lessons takes you by the hand, step by step, and transforms you into a thriving vegan or vegetarian. This program will teach you how to thrive on a vegan diet, and say goodbye to all of the all too common risks, worries, and headaches that cause so many to eventually abandon plant-based eating. You can explore each topic online, or you can print out the written lessons and download the expert interviews. There's even audio versions of the written lessons, so you can listen during your commute, at the gym, or anytime you like. Each of the lessons includes an assignment, so you'll take one step closer to mastering each week. And of course, you can repeat the lessons as many times as you wish, because you'll have unlimited access. Plus, it covers far more than just nutrition. The Mastery Program is about a healthy, thriving life in all areas of your life, however plant-centered your personal choices are. It's a system to make planning and preparing healthy meals a sustainable habit. Each meal that you master moves you one step closer to putting healthy eating on autopilot. You'll even get a bunch of free bonuses. Go check it out. You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain when you enroll in this life-changing program. Thanks for watching today's Bye Bye Win Online video. Have a nice day.